Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving net change are actually super simple if you follow these 3 quick steps to find where the total accumulation hits exactly 0 today. The water level at time t equals the level at 0 when the net change is 0. This means the integral of the rate function from 0 to t is 0. We calculate the area under the curve. From 0 to 2, the area is -2. From 2 to 5, the positive area cancels it out exactly at t equals 5. Continuing past 5, the area from 5 to 8 is -2, and from 8 to 12, the area is +2. Thus, the total integral is 0 at 8. Clear win! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sophie. Don't ignore negative values. Always add the signed area across all your given time intervals.